Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to explore one of the hottest trends in home entertaining, the outdoor kitchen with a bar counter. If you've ever dreamt of hosting unforgettable gatherings under the open sky, this is the video for you. We're going to dive into what makes these spaces so special, why you need one, how to decorate it, and of course, reveal our top 10 stunning ideas to inspire your next project. Let's get started. An outdoor kitchen with a bar counter is more than just a grill on a patio. It's a fully functional, integrated cooking and entertaining space located in your backyard or on your deck. It typically includes a grill or cooktop, a sink, storage, and, crucially, a bar counter with seating. This setup allows the host to prepare food and drinks while engaging with guests, blurring the lines between the kitchen and the social hub of the party. It creates a dynamic, interactive experience, making the act of cooking part of the fun rather than a chore hidden away indoors. Having an outdoor kitchen with a bar counter offers a multitude of benefits that elevate your home and lifestyle. First and foremost, it significantly expands your usable living and entertaining space. By moving a key part of your home outdoors, you create a new destination for relaxation and socializing, which is especially valuable during warm weather. This setup also keeps cooking odors, heat, and mess out of your main house, making indoor cleanup a breeze after a large gathering. From a social perspective, the bar counter is a game changer. It encourages guests to gather around and interact with the host, turning a solitary task like grilling into a collaborative and fun activity. It also adds significant value to your property, as a well-designed outdoor kitchen is a highly sought-after feature for potential homebuyers. Ultimately, it's an investment in your home and your quality of life, promising countless memories with family and friends. Decorating your outdoor kitchen to look good involves harmonizing functionality with aesthetics. Start by defining a clear style, whether it's rustic, modern, tropical, or coastal, and use materials that reflect that theme. For a rustic look, think natural stone and warm wood. For a modern vibe, consider concrete, sleek stainless steel, and dark tones. Pay attention to lighting. A mix of task lighting over the cooking area and ambient lighting around the bar counter creates a welcoming atmosphere and extends the usability of the space into the evening. Don't forget comfortable and durable seating that matches your bar counter and stands up to the elements. Add personal touches like potted plants, outdoor rugs, and decorative lanterns. Incorporating a backsplash with a unique tile or a stacked stone finish can add texture and a focal point. Finally, ensure the entire area flows well with the rest of your outdoor space, creating a seamless transition from your home to your backyard oasis. An outdoor kitchen with a bar counter is a fantastic addition to any home, but to truly make it the heart of your entertaining space, you need the right tools and amenities. The best outdoor kitchens are not just about the grill. They are carefully planned spaces equipped with items that enhance functionality, comfort, and entertainment. From essential appliances that simplify cooking to decorative elements that create a welcoming atmosphere, the right items can transform a simple patio into a luxurious and efficient outdoor oasis. Let's explore the must-have items that will make your outdoor kitchen with a bar counter the ultimate destination for delicious food and great company. First, high-quality grill or cooktop, the centerpiece of any outdoor kitchen. Look for durable, weather-resistant models. Second, outdoor-rated refrigerator, perfect for keeping drinks and ingredients chilled without constant trips inside. Third, sink and faucet, essential for washing hands, rinsing produce, and easy cleanup. Fourth, ice maker, a luxury item that is a total game-changer for mixing cocktails and keeping beverages cold. Fifth, built-in storage and cabinetry, stainless steel or marine-grade polymer cabinets are ideal for storing utensils, dishes, and other supplies. Sixth, bar stools, choose comfortable, weather-resistant stools made from materials like wicker, aluminum, or teak. Seventh, outdoor TV or sound system, enhances the entertainment value, allowing guests to watch a game or listen to music. Eighth, overhead lighting, pendants, string lights, or recessed lighting create a functional and inviting ambience. Ninth, weather-resistant countertops, granite, concrete, or soapstone are great durable options that can handle outdoor exposure. 10th, patio heater or fire pit extends the use of the space into cooler evenings and adds a cozy element. Now, let's get to the inspiration. We've handpicked our top 10 outdoor kitchen with bar counter ideas to show you the incredible variety and potential of these spaces. 1. White and bright pass-through, seamless indoor-outdoor living. This ingenious design creates a flawless transition between the indoor kitchen and the outdoor patio. The pass-through window with a bar counter allows for easy serving and social interaction, making a party feel connected whether you're inside or out. The crisp white color scheme and light wood flooring give the space a clean, open, and airy feel. The combination of modern bar stools and comfortable patio seating makes it a versatile space for both quick meals and long, leisurely conversations. 2. Modern and minimalist haven, sleek modern kitchen for urban escapes. A perfect example of minimalist design, this outdoor kitchen features clean lines and a sophisticated color palette. The dark granite countertops and sleek, stainless steel appliances create a high-end, professional feel. The simple wooden back fence and pergola structure provide a warm contrast to the contemporary materials. This setup is highly functional with plenty of counter space and an integrated sink, proving that an outdoor kitchen can be as practical and stylish as its indoor counterpart. 3. Sleek and sophisticated sanctuary, the ultimate grilling station. Situated on a beautiful wooden deck, this impressive outdoor kitchen is a chef's dream. It features a stunning, dark-toned bar counter that doubles as a prep island. The sleek, stainless steel appliances, including a professional-grade grill and pizza oven, are a testament to its high-end design. The white cabinetry provides a clean, contemporary contrast, while the lush, tropical foliage backdrop creates a private, resort-like atmosphere. 4. Concrete and wood fusion, contemporary concrete and wood bar. This U-shaped outdoor kitchen is a masterclass in contemporary design. The smooth, light-colored concrete countertops offer a sleek, modern look that contrasts beautifully with the warm, dark wood paneling on the bar counter. The built-in planters add a touch of greenery and life to the minimalist design. The layout is highly efficient, providing a dedicated cooking zone with a grill and sink, and a separate, spacious bar area for guests to relax. 5. Coastal timber oasis, beachside barbecue bliss. Bringing a laid-back, coastal vibe to outdoor entertaining, this beautiful wooden kitchen and bar are perfect for a beach or poolside setting. The natural wood construction and slatted design give it a light, airy feel. The L-shaped bar counter offers plenty of space for preparing food and drinks, while the open shelving below keeps essentials within easy reach. The casual, tropical aesthetic is enhanced by the view of the beach, making it an ideal spot for relaxed get-togethers. 6. Modern rooftop bar, urban rooftop bar and kitchen. Proving that outdoor kitchens can thrive in urban environments, this sleek, modern rooftop bar and kitchen is a feat of design. The dark, minimalist structure and clean lines create a contemporary feel, while the use of wood decking adds warmth. The pass-through window and built-in bar counter connect the interior and exterior, making the space feel open and inviting. Complete with a fireplace and a pool nearby, this spot is the epitome of stylish, compact entertaining. 7. Rustic stone and wood retreat, the ultimate rustic entertainer's retreat. This expansive outdoor kitchen seamlessly blends rustic charm with modern functionality. The massive stone-built bar counter, complete with built-in shelving, provides a sturdy and visually striking centerpiece. The rich, dark wood ceiling adds warmth and sophistication, while the sleek, industrial-style pendant lights illuminate the bar area. The integrated grill and ample seating make this an ideal spot for large gatherings, and the adjacent fireplace and outdoor living room offer a cozy space for relaxation. 8. Cozy cabin-style patio, a cozy fireside gathering spot. This inviting outdoor space combines the comfort of a cabin with the convenience of an outdoor kitchen. The rustic stone fireplace serves as a stunning focal point, while the hexagonal wooden ceiling and chandelier add a touch of elegance. The stone-wrapped bar counter with its contrasting countertop provides a generous seating area. With a large grill and a comfortable lounge area, this setup is designed for all-season entertaining, promising warmth and good times. 9. Marble Luxury, luxurious marble bar and kitchen. This outdoor kitchen redefines luxury with its extensive use of beautiful marble. The massive waterfall edge island serves as both a central bar and a statement piece. The sleek, metal bar stools provide a modern touch that complements the light, elegant aesthetic. Equipped with a TV, a professional grill, and ample counter space, this kitchen is designed for high-end entertaining and maximum comfort, all while overlooking a serene, manicured landscape. 10. Rustic Stone Grill Shack, the rustic stone bar with a view. Tucked away in a cozy corner, this rustic stone-clad outdoor kitchen offers a charming and intimate setting. The stone structure creates a strong, natural look that feels perfectly at home in the wooded surroundings. The bar counter provides a comfortable spot for a small group, while the built-in TV ensures entertainment is always on hand. The warm lighting and durable construction make this a perfect, year-round retreat for enjoying the outdoors. And there you have it, our top 10 best outdoor kitchen with bar counter ideas. Whether you're a master griller, a cocktail connoisseur, or simply love to host, an outdoor kitchen with a bar counter can completely transform the way you entertain. It's a space that brings people together, makes memories, and extends your home's living area into the great outdoors. So, what are you waiting for? Which one of these ideas inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home design and decor inspirations. Until next time, happy decorating!